Here's how to use Monkey app for video chat in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can start video chatting on the Monkey app quickly and safely, even if you're using it for the first time. Start by downloading the Monkey app from your app store and opening it once installed. When it launches, sign up using your phone number or preferred login option. Follow the prompts to set up your profile. Add a name and basic details so other users can recognize you during chats. Next, allow camera and microphone access. These permissions are required for video chatting to work properly. Without them, calls will not connect. After granting access, you'll be taken to the main screen where you can start exploring. Look for the video chat or start button. Tap it to begin. The app will connect you with another user automatically. When a match appears, your video will turn on and you can start talking right away. If the connection is not comfortable or you want to meet someone else, use the next option to move to another person. There are also features that let you add interests or filters. These help match you with people who share similar topics or preferences. Setting these can make conversations more enjoyable and relevant. Always pay attention to safety while using the app. Avoid sharing personal details like your address, passwords, or financial information. If someone behaves inappropriately, use the report or block feature and leave the chat immediately. If the app struggles to connect, check your internet connection and make sure camera and microphone permissions are still enabled. Restarting the app can also fix most connection issues. Using Monkey for video chat is mainly about setting up your account, allowing access to your camera and microphone, starting a chat, and switching between matches when needed. Once you understand where the main buttons are, you can connect with new people quickly and use the app confidently without getting lost in the process.